The most important requirement in learning profound concepts is really attentive listening. And I'm already seeing every one of you is so attentive right now because I now know that you want something from me. That attentive listening requires humility as the base. And what is this humility? Because whenever you go to learn, whether it's a physical science or metaphysical concepts or abstruse concepts, when you say, I want to learn something, you have to say, I don't know nothing. That is the starting point when you can become totally attentive, which means 100% attention. In attention, there is no thing called as I was 70% attentive, 30% my thoughts were going here and there. That is not attention. Attention means either 100% or no attention. And no attention comes when you are not humble enough to say, I don't know. Because when you don't say that, there are a lot of words I'm going to be telling you now. Some may be new, some may be already known to you. The moment I say that to you, you have heard about this from some people, right? You may have heard about it. But then you don't know about it. Hearing something and knowing totally are two different things completely. But when you have some idea about that word, when I'm using that word, for example, ignorance, one word, then the mind starts to chatter from inside, whatever little that you know. And that chattering basically will prevent you from hearing what I'm saying. And hearing is an important concept. So if you want to understand deep concepts, I might urge upon you to do two things: listening and hearing. Listening is understanding what you hear. Hearing is basically getting that sound that comes from me and straight away putting inside your mind, which is otherwise chattering. So if it is chattering, whatever vibrations I send to you will not be heard by you. You will hear half, quarter, full. Full attention will not be there, and you won't be able to absorb it. So the first principle that we want people to do in learning Vedic concepts is to really say, I want to know this. Totally, I want to know this, not half. Because half knowledge, which is ignorance, and partial knowledge is terrible. No knowledge is worse. Partial knowledge is equally bad. Either you're totally ignorant or totally knowledgeable, then there is peace. If you don't know something, you're better off. But if you know a little bit, then you're in danger zone. So, urging you, all of you, I'm certain I'm much older than all of you. Through my experience, I say, urge upon you to learn any concept absolutely to the fullest extent, even though knowledge in the physical world is evolving. But up to today, you have to know everything correctly. So we're going to cover these things. Primary cause. Do you know what's the primary cause of conflicts? Lovely word. Who used the word? Nice, nice. But now, since you asked this question, I'll have to ask you another question. My problem is that this is the way we learn fully. Ask questions, ask questions. Now, at the end of today's discussion, I want to straight away tell you, do not accept a single statement of what I said. Because what I'm saying is my knowledge. It's not your knowledge. To make it your knowledge, you have to absorb, introspect, question 100 times. Does this man make sense? No. For me, no. Out. Then you don't have to follow it. Principle number 1 to learn metaphysics is never accept authority. There's no authority in this world. A lot of people here, I know in India, they come to me, I will teach you this. Who are you? Ask that question. Don't laugh here, please. This is a serious talk. Ask him, who are you? Why should I listen to you? Because you don't know whether he is the authority. You just placed him in that place, and then he starts to talk, and you accept it. What have you done in the process? You have betrayed yourself. It's called self-deception. What is the betrayal? Betrayal that you are not using your own ability to understand the concept. You just accept what he says. एक simple concept है. How many people say, I'm stressed in a day? At least once. How many people say that? How many people say, I'm stressed once a week? यहाँ पे कोई स्ट्रेस वाला है ही नहीं, बढ़िया है, तो मेरा काम क्या है इधर? अरे वाह, कोई भी स्ट्रेस ही नहीं, वंडरफुल प्लेस. I must shift from Canada to this place. It looks like wow. Okay, because what I'm saying is because all of us try to just simply use the words that we hear from people and not knowing the real meaning of stress, we say I'm stressed. पकड़ो उसको, बोलो भाई क्या है, what's the meaning of stress? He can't answer the question. I don't know what is stress. Then why are you saying it? Oh, because he said. You can't do that in learning. I must say, why are you saying this, boss? Tell me. If I don't answer you correctly, I'm not the authority. But how many of us blindly follow people who say something? He has also heard from somebody. Hi, that guy has heard from somebody else. I said tradition. This is called parampara learning. Is it? What is parampara learning? Don't question the guy, right? That is parampara learning. Guru ने बोल दिया चुपचाप बैठो. हम श्रीनाथ को बोलते हैं, ask me the question, challenge me. If I don't convince you, I'm not your guru. That is a real guru. I must be able to convince you to the last until you're totally clear. It's called Nishchaya Jnanam. Matlab bilkul bhi doubt free knowledge. Then only you have got the right to be a guru.